Hello and welcome to a new section called Microsoft Intune App Management. In this section, we're going to learn about different lectures to manage applications specific to Microsoft Intune. To configure applications, you need to go to Microsoft Intune Overview and then click on Client Apps, and this would take to a new blade for specific to client apps. This is where you're gonna configure different applications. It could be one of the application maybe Android devices specific or iOS, or could be 8.1 Windows or Windows or Google Play. Also Office 365 and Mac and other line of business applications, or it could be normal exe files like setup.exe, which is nothing but Windows app Win32, or built-in apps of Windows, or it could be web link based applications. And these applications we are gonna protect with the different policies like copy paste or how to access, when to access, such kind of configurations we can configure so that we are protecting the applications configurations within the application. The data also would be protected, and different configurations can be configured, and we're gonna learn all this in this upcoming lectures. And this lecture is mostly if you are trying to compare with SCCM. If you already have an idea, it's very similar to the software distribution, but it's more than that because of the uh, monitoring and deployment different different capabilities which are available from the Intune. Since it's purely based on the cloud management, we would be taking that as advantage.